Tesla fam, let's get straight to it, guys. So today I'm going to show you how to quickly activate speed limit mode, guys, in your Tesla for added safety. So step number one, guys, of course, you want to access the controls, okay? Start by tapping on the controls icon on your touchscreen. This will bring up the main settings menu, guys. First things first, actually, your car needs to be parked. You cannot do all this unless it's parked. When you're usually doing some settings on your Tesla, make sure your car is parked, okay? So yeah, I said step number one, access the controls. Just tap on the controls icon on your touchscreen. This will bring up the main settings menu. Then you want to navigate to safety settings, okay, guys? From the controls menu, go to safety. This section includes various features, to enhance your driving experience. And then what you want to do is select speed limit mode. Okay, look for the option labeled speed limit mode and just tap on it. Okay, then guys, you're gonna have to enable speed limit mode. You'll see a toggle to activate this feature. Just switch it on, and then you may have to, set a maximum speed limit if you're prompted. Okay, and just set your speed limit, enter your desired speed limit. This limit will be enforced, and your Tesla will alert you if you exceed this limit. Then you just confirm and exit, guys. After setting the speed limit, just confirm your settings. You can now exit the menu, and your speed limit mode will be active. And that's it. So go ahead, hit that link in the description to upgrade your ride even further, guys.